The concrete and stonework on the corner of my house here is broken, so I'm gonna fix it with glue. This could be very, very bad. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. So what's happened here over the years is that this little corner piece of the foundation, this little concrete corner, has broken off, and I kind of noticed that. What I didn't realize here is that it had been sliding down, a little erosion and all of that. But what also didn't dawn on me is that it is bearing the load of the stone that is above it, that you can see has rolled off here. So that would be obviously right in there, kind of supported by this block and this little rubber mat in there. And so I wanted to get this fixed. Now, getting this fixed is redonkulously expensive. You know, having this concrete and masonry and stone repair is like unreal. So I picked this up. It is Gorilla Glue Max Strength Construction Adhesive in clear. So if it oozes out a little bit, hopefully it won't make that big of a difference. But my hope here is that this little caulking tube of glue will be enough to hold this back in place. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to pull this away, clean that up, actually put some glue on the back of this stone, on the stone on the house, and then push it back together. And then I actually have my tamping tool right here, and I'm going to use this as something like a brace. So I'm going to use the metal piece down here to kind of dig into the ground and then lower this down to brace that stone back up against the foundation. Now, I'm also going to let that dry for at least a day, see if that'll take hold before I try to glue the one on top of it. I don't want any load pushing down on it while it is trying to dry. It's a pretty warm day, pretty windy, so I think these are as good a conditions as I'm going to get. So I'm going to start taking this apart, cleaning it up, and let's start gluing. Well, here goes nothing. It's been a clean break as far as I can tell, and I've cleaned it out because I don't want any leaves or anything in there. I'm going to put a generous amount of this construction adhesive against the foundation, and then I'm going to put a generous amount on the rock, on the fallen piece as well. Kind of comes out a little like hot glue, but obviously it's not hot, but it's got that kind of consistency. I mean, I feel like it's a little runnier than caulk, and I feel like more is better here.
I want a better life. He gives the best advice when you're in need. 'Cause it's more than just the seeing, it's the living and the being, everything you ever hoped to be. We can discover more and explore deeper. We can live better than ever thinks to Peter. Peter Von Panda. So deep breath, let's get ready. Lift head, high, step steady. Though you may feel you're in the dark, look up, there is a spark. So deep breath, let's get ready.
I'm using this tamper to try to brace that into place. So I'm going to wait 24 hours, see how that goes. So the moment of truth, I actually glued this a few days ago, and it's been a little cooler than I would have liked. It's only about 56 degrees right now, so that's why I wanted to leave it here. Now, I'm going to pull away this post here, and I'll be honest, I really think this is going to be pretty binary. Either I think it's going to stay, and I'm going to be like, wow, that Gorilla Glue is so strong, or it's just going to fall off under the weight, because that is a pretty heavy stone. So we'll see here. I'm gonna pull it. Oh, it's not moving. That's good news. And now I kind of wonder. Wow. All right. You know what? It's not moving an inch. It's not even like squishy like caulk or anything. It doesn't seem like that is moving. So that is a result. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue the other one here. I think because it's a little smaller, and I think because it's supported a little better there, I will probably not have to use all the glue, so I actually might do a little touch up with glue right there as well. So, all right, so far so good. Let's get to it.
If you wanna know about a brand, ask me. I'll check if what's in the bag's nasty. Better if you know what's up than the unhappy. I know what it feels like when you're done cashing. They tried their meal or drive their vehicle. Garbage delivered at your PO. I know you feel you wanna scream, your head hurts on your pillow.
All right, got it glued in there. I really wedged this tamper down and pushed it in there because it kind of wants to roll out a little bit. I really was pretty generous. I used the whole tube of glue there, so hopefully that will hold. If it's holding as well as the bottom piece, I think that is going to be a result. So that's the home repair job, and I was using the Gorilla Glue Max Strength Construction Adhesive, and it seems to have worked. If that just crumbles and falls apart, I'll let you know. But I think because it's supported by the stone underneath, and because it's a little sheltered, and because the break there was pretty clean, it fits nicely into that spot, I think I'm good to go. So, man, I'm pretty impressed with this. It seems pretty strong. Hey, if you want to pick up this and do some home repairs yourself, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.